Welcome to our educational channel. In this quantitative aptitude, let us see the topic time and distance. So all the formulas from this topic and some questions related to the examination point of view, let us see one by one. First of all, let me show you the formulas which are related to the time and distance and which will come from the examination point of view. First one is the speed is equals to speed. So if you confirm, if you see on the vehicles, just is going 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, the car is running at 60 kilometers per hour. So kilometers per hour. So 1 hour. So that many kilometers is going. So kilometers is the distance. That's why speed is equals to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So 40 kilometers per hour. If you say. So the meaning of 40 kilometers per hour means 1 hour if you travel it will reach 40 kilometers with same speed. So kilometers is a distance, hours is time. That's why speed is equal to distance by time. Now using this we can write another two formulas, that is time is equals to, using this time is equals to, speed is distance by time, right? So time, if you take left side and speed is down, so time is equal to distance by speed. Same based on that first one, distance by speed is equals to time. Okay, time is equal to distance by speed. Now distance is equals to, distance is time into speed. Distance is numerator. If you take this side, time into speed or speed into time. So distance is equal to speed into time. So in the numerical problems I'll explain. These are the basic three formulas you'll use in the time and distance and speed. So relation between speed, distance, time is these three. Main thing is speed is equal to distance by time. Based on that, another two. Next one, if you observe some shortcut things in this, average speed, whole journey. So if a certain distance is covered x kilometers and the same distance is covered y kilometers per hour, then the average speed, to find out the average. So there is some distance. This distance is fixed, same distance. So from A to B, while traveling, one person went with speed x kilometers per hour while going, and similarly from B to A, and return is y kilometers per hour with same distance. Within the same distance, A to B is x kilometers per hour travel, and B to A is y kilometers per hour. Okay, then to find out the average speed, last topic also we explained the same thing. So average speed is 2xy by x plus y, 2 into x into y by x plus y kilometers per hour. Same if it is in kilometers per hour, right? So answer also will come in kilometers per hour. If it is meter per second, answer also will come in meter per second. So this is the average speed when the same distance. Okay, if the certain distance is covered x kilometers per hour, the same distance covered at y kilometers per hour, then the average speed during the whole journey up and down, right? And one more, you see this 15th one, fifth one. If the speed of a body is change the ratio of A is to B. Okay, if the speed is A is to B, okay, if the speed of a body, so any object, the ratio is change the ratio A is to B, then ratio of the time taken to change is B is to A. Then time changing is B is to A. Simple thing, when the speed is increased, time will be decreased. Okay, speed and time are inversely proportional. So if you go more speed, you will reach in less time, right? That's why A to B, if it is a change, then B to A is a time change. This is the ratio concept. And one more is just a converting. The last one, if you see, x kilometers per hour. The meaning is 1 hour x kilometers will travel. To convert into meter per second, x into, you should just multiply with 5 by 18, then that is in meter per second. To convert into meter per second, multiply with 5 by 18, right? And same if the reverse. Reverse is if is x meter per second, that is equals to x into 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. To convert into kilometers per hour, multiply with 18 by 5. Let's see in the problems. And why only 5 by 18 or 18 by 5? Just simple. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 hour is 16 to 60, 3600 seconds. So 1000 by 3600. If you calculate this is nothing but 5 by 18 only. Okay, two zeros cancel. And same to 5 and to 18. So 5 by 18 concept. So kilometers per hour to convert into meter per second, just multiply 5 by 18, and meter per seconds to kilometer per hour to converting, just you need to multiply with 18 by 5. Okay, now using these formulas and some more concepts. So let us see the problems now. How the question point of the examination point of view questions will come. Let me show you few problems based on this time and distance now. We'll see the problems now. You can see the first question. A man cycles from A to B, a distance of 21 kilometers in 1 hour 40 minutes. So distance is 21 kilometers, time duration is 1 hour 40 minutes. That is from A to B. But condition is the road from A is level for 13 kilometers and then it is uphill to B. Okay, the man's average speed on this on levels is 15 kilometers per hour. Find his average uphill speed. So total distance is 21 kilometers. Okay, if you see the answer, total distance is 21 kilometers. In the 13 kilometers is on level, so proper level. So let us see this. This is the level distance, 13 kilometers. Okay, and from here little bit uphill. Okay, take this. So let us be. This is A and B. So entire A to B is 21 kilometers. So till up to certain distance, up to level distance is 13 kilometers. Total is 21, right? 21 means remaining is 21 minus 13. Okay, that is 8. So it's 8 kilometers. So just I draw a little upwards because to show the sum uphill. So distance is 21 kilometers A to B. It traveled in 1 hour 40 minutes. The total time taken from here to here is 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, total time, that is 1 hour 40 minutes. You should convert this 1 hour 40 minutes into hours only. Into the hours is 1 hour 40 minutes. To convert into hours, you can write 40 by 60. Because 60 minutes, 1 hour. You can simplify this. 0, 0, 2, 3. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 1, 2 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 plus 2. So 5 by 3 hours. 5 by 3 hours is the total time taken from A to B. Now see the condition. 13 kilometers is 1. So time from A to this, let is point C. So A to C and C to B, total time should be 5 by 3 hours. First A to C time, A to C distance. Already we know that time is equal to distance by speed, right? Time is equal to distance by speed. So according to this formula, we'll take the separate A to C time and C to B time, that should be equal to 5 by 3. Okay, now if you can see the condition from A to C, okay, distance is 13 kilometers and for that time on average speed on levels is 15 kilometers per hour is given. So 15. So distance by speed plus and 8 kilometers is on uphill distance and you have to find out the speed. Find his average uphill speed. So let average or uphill speeds. This take some x kilometers per hour speed. Right? Then that means 8 by x. This is also time. 13 by 15 is the time from A to C. 8 by x is time from C to B. That is nothing but 5 by 3 because total Duration is 5 by 3. Centrally is in hours. Kilometers per hour, and this also hours. 8 kilometers per hour, and this same distance is 8 kilometers and is x kilometers per hour. 13 kilometers. Okay, speed is 15 kilometers per hour. Now this is the equation. If we solve this, we can find out the x value directly. So there's a logic in this. Just you can simplify. 8 by x is equals to 5 by 3 minus 13 by 15. Do LCM and simplify this. 15, 3, 5, so 15, 25 minus 13. So 25 minus 13 is 12. 12 by 15 value is 8 by x. Do cross multiplication. 12x is equals to 8 into 15. So from this, x is equals to 8 into 15 by 12. Okay, you can cancel and calculate. 4 2s are 4 3s are. Again 3 1s are 3 5. Okay, 2 into 5, it's a 10. So 10 kilometers per hour is the speed on uphill. Okay, this is a simple thing. This is the main logic. We have to take because they give total time. So convert into these parts also into the time and add to this 5 by 3. Right? Let's see the one more sum. Here is the question is walking 3 by 4th. Walking 3 by 4th of his usual speed. A peon is 10 minutes late to his office. Find his usual time to cover the distance. So usual time we should find out. So question is, you can make in diagrammatic to understand the question clear. Okay, for example, the distance you need to travel. So this is the distance he's supposed to go to his office. So walking 3 by 4th of his usual speed. Normally if you travel with the distance d, we need how much time it takes to cover, you have to find out. But here is walking 3 by 4th of his usual speed, if one is 10 minutes late. And let's take usual time and usual speed first. Okay, usual time. Usual time be, let's take x minutes. Because the problem is given in minutes, 10 minutes late. So I'm taking time will be x minutes and speed. So usual speed. So daily is the regular speed, let it be y. Okay, it's the y it is. Now we know already distance is equals to speed into time, right? Distance is equal to speed into time is the formula. So in this case, distance is equal to speed is usual speed into usual time, x into y or y into x, both are same. So xy, let it be equation 1. This is usual case. But according to the changes, what changes is walking 3 by 4th of his usual speed. But now speed is, because which is change, 3 by 4th of his usual speed is y. Now this is 3 by 4 into y. Okay, and time is, previous he'll go in x minutes, but now time is 10 minutes late to his office. 10 minutes late means he's going extra 10 minutes, right? Because of he's late for 10 minutes. So instead of within the time, he's taking extra 10 minutes to reach. So earlier time is x minutes. Now we'll take x plus 10 minutes. Okay, even in this case also distance is not changed. So same d. D is equal to speed into time. Okay, 3 by 4 y into x plus 10, equation 2. So both are in the places, equation 1 and 2, distance is fixed, LHS is same, so RHS we can make equate. Now you'll get the problem, right? That is the x you will get, because x only you should find out. Find his usual time to cover the distance. So usual time I took x. X value if you find out, that's enough. LHS is same, so then RHS. So x into y from equation 1 and 2. X into y is equals to 3 by 4y into x plus 10. So here is this y get cancelled because multiplication. 4 take this side, 4x, 3 into x plus 10. Okay, next you can normal simplification. That is 3x plus 30. Okay, 3 into x and 3 into 10 is 4x. So 4x minus 3x is equal to 30. Then x is equal to 30. That is minutes. So 30 minutes. So his usual time is 30 minutes. That's the thing. Which is the given from the data you can take. And apart from this speed, distance, time, the which formula is which is not changing, that you can find out and equate. In this problem we can cover in this way. Let's see another one now. Here is the question is, a man covers a certain distance between his house and office on scooter. Okay, the distance only we need to find out. So let's take the distance is say x kilometers. So distance is x kilometers from his house to office. Now question is, having an average speed of 30 kilometers per hour is late by 10 minutes. If you go 30 kilometers per hour speed, then is late by 10 minutes. If the speed is 40 kilometers per hour, he reached the office 5 minutes early only. And find the distance between his house and office. Okay, if it's the house and office, distance is x kilometers. So let us see the difference between the timings first. Okay, time taken to cover this x kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour speed. So two cases. First one, time taken. Okay, when you have taken this distance between this office, house to office is x kilometers, right? Now, time taken to cover this x kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour speed is equals to, we know already time is equals to distance by speed. So distance by speed, time formula. So time taken to cover x kilometers at the 30 kilometers per hour speed is x by 30 hours. This is in hours. And similarly, same time taken to cover same x kilometers distance at what is 40 kilometers per hour speed. Okay, 40 kilometers per hour speed is same x by 40 hours. So if it's going slow, x by 30 time. If it's going fast, x by 40 is the time. But if you see the difference, is going slow 10 minutes late, is going fast 5 minutes early. So the distance difference is 15 minutes. So difference of these two also 15 minutes only. Right? Difference between the times taken is 15 minutes. Now difference between the times, both the times. So times taken, that is equals to 10 plus 5, 10 minutes late and 5 minutes early. So completely 15 minutes gap between them. So 15 minutes if you convert into hours, 15 by 60. So 1 by 4 hours is the gap. Same. Now this is if is equation 1 and 2. This both if you subtract, first minus second is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, that's the thing. So because of first equation minus second equation is equals to 1 by 4 hours only, because the time it is. So therefore x by 30 minus x by 40 is equals to 1 by 4. Everything is in hours. Now you can calculate this simple. Okay, take x common and do. If you take x is the common, 1 by 30 minus 1 by 40 is equals to 1 by 4. Simplify this. 1 by 30 minus 1 by 40. So 40 minus 30. So 10 by 1200 is equals to 1 by 4. So 0, 0 can cancel. So x is equals to 1 by 4 into 120. 43030. So just normal cancellation. I did LCM and cancel. So x got 30 kilometers. So hence the required distance is 30 kilometers. Right? The solving is simple by making this, but you should understand the question clearly here what is asked. So late and early, that's why you show time which is given about the given data is about the time only, 10 minutes late and 5 minutes early. So you also calculate time first for the two different speeds. Then if you subtract the both, that should be equal to 1 by 4, then you can calculate. Okay, this is the like these problems we can do in this way. It's easy by making steps in following. Let's see another problem with the average speed also one question. Okay, in this question here, Harish covers a certain distance by car driving at 70 kilometers per hour, and he returns back to the same point by riding on scooter at 55 kilometers per hour. Find his average speed for the whole journey. So whenever they are asking average speed, should not add and divide by 2. So we already gave the formula in the starting, right? When the distance is same. So whenever the distance is same, but is going from A to B. A to B is with speed 70 kilometers per hour and return 55 kilometers per hour. 55 kilometers per hour is return. Now, okay, one speed is x and another speed is y. Then average speed. Average speed is equals to, you know the formula again starting, that is 2xy by x plus y. Here is x is one upwards and y is downwards, so up and down. So this is the x and let it be equals to y. X is equals to 70 kilometers per hour and y is 55 kilometers per hour. So average speed also will come in same kilometers per hour. Then you can substitute and simplify, you'll get the answer. So that problem it is 2 into x, 70 into 55, 2xy by x plus y. So 70 plus 55. This is a shortcut trick to find out the average speed. Now we can simplify. 2 into 70, 140 into 55, 70 plus 55, 125, 125. You can cancel with 5 table. That is 11, 5 2s are 10, 5 25. Or you can cancel this. 5 is 25 and 2s are 10, 8. 28 into 11 by 5. So this is approx 61.6. We calculated 61.6 kilometers per hour. Yeah, so this is the average speed because one is 70, one is 55. So answer will come surely between these two only, but not exactly center. So it's not normal average. So when it's the two different speeds, 2xy by x plus y is the formula to find out the average speed. Okay, this solved, we saw the formula starting. Now let's see one more problem, just converting, as I explained in the starting. You can notice here, you can see the questions here. Converting kilometers per hour to meter per second or meters per seconds to kilometers per hour. First one is converting kilometer per hour into the meter per second. Okay, 45 is kilometers per hour. 1 hour the vehicle travel 45 kilometers distance if this is the speed. That meaning of this is 1 hour 45 kilometers distance. So 1 second how many meters? That is to converting 45 into, to convert into meter per second, I count the formula, just multiply with 5 by 18. You can multiply, you can simplify this, that is in answer is in meter per second. Okay, 45 into 5 by 18. You can cancel 9 2 so 9 5. 5 into 5 is 25 by 2, 12.5. This is a meter per second. 1 second it will go travel 12.5 meters. Same, 1 hour it's traveling 45 kilometers means 1 second it is travel 12.5 meters. And reverse converting, that is a meter per seconds to kilometers per hour. Let us see this. Same, 6 meter per second, that is equal to 6 into, to convert into kilometers per hour, multiply with 18 by 5. Okay, value should be increased. Then 6 into 18 by 5. You can cancel this. 18 into 6 into 108 by 5. So 21.6. This is a kilometers per hour. Just for converting, you can use this technique directly. 5 by 18 and one is 18 by 5. Don't no need of confusing. Meter per seconds to kilometer per hour. So 18 by 5. And kilometers per hour to meter per second is to 5 by 18. You should multiply. And one more, as we saw, this is one more trick is to x by x plus y for the previous. Okay, these are the problems we can see. And few more questions, if any requirement, you shall post. So these are the main things. Questions will come from the time and distance. And next upcoming chapters also about the speed, few more problems also we'll see. So up to here, these are the questions you can revise from this. Similar, they'll change the numbers and concept is same.